and I have this wooden strip below the top sign simply because when I'm done buffing, I'm going to mount that so that I can then lacquer it without it being all over the place. But what I wanted to show you was the difference of what I would call before and after. So this is the side that hasn't been touched, and this is the side that I just blasted. So it's amazing how it gets in everywhere and really cleans it out. Again, versus the flip side, which has some shine to it, but also has quite a bit of dirt from the years of nothingness. So next time you'll see it, it will probably be lacquered and have a nice soft glow to it. So this is what we're looking at after the first blast, and no polishing, but a cleaning. Cleaning meaning soap and water after the bead blast. So you can see that these areas are right now satiny, so there's definitely a sheen to it. So what I'll end up doing is polishing these highlights on the edges while leaving this essentially alone. So I don't need a polish in here because I'm satisfied with this finish, but I want to bring the shine out in the edges. So those will have a higher finish to them, but already looking a lot better than what we had a while ago. So stay tuned for more. Folks, beautiful afternoon and very productive because I use the liquid Protect-A-Clear and some of these sponges as applicators, and this is how it turned out. So it's got a beautiful shine to it. As you can see, I did the edges. I've also shined up this, polished this, but not to the same degree that you can see on the tops or top sides, and I even did the bottom. So it came out I think exceptionally well, both sides. It's drying now. First coat, I'll probably put a couple coats on, and I think it came out great compared to what it was. So you'll see or you should be able to notice the before and after, and if I can catch it in the light, I mean, it looks great in the light. Lots of shadows in the garage, but I think it came out exceptionally well, all things considered, for the amount of time that was put in. Relatively minimal compared to stuff I've done before. I was blasting these parts in a very small cabinet previously for a different cash register that I was tinkering with, and that's kind of what led to Redzilla, and then doing this in a more methodical manner with the right tools and the right lacquers. So that's how it turned out. Good stuff.